What do we see here? Baby steps in, oh so small. Is this school for me at all? Baby walks in, sleepy slow. Sees a lion, say hello. Teacher all says take a seat. Baby waves with tiny feet. Oops, oops, what's going on? Something here feels kinda wrong. Roar and meow and bark around. Baby hears so many sounds. Dog says woof, baby laughs. Cat is writing on the math. Monkey jumps on classroom desk. Is this school or jungle fest? Baby claps, I like this place. But paint is on his tiny face. Learn, what a mix. Animals doing funny tricks. School is wild, not so neat. Everyone is on their feet. Elephant rings the school bell loud. Birds are flying through the crowd. Frog is hopping on the chair. Teacher, what is happening there? Baby says I'm learning too. But he's drawing on his shoe. Oops, oops, silly day. Learning in a crazy way. Books are flying left and right. Birds are flying left and right. What a funny school delight. Teacher all looks very wise. Baby, you're a sweet surprise. This is animal school fun. But your school has just begun. Baby smiles, I love you all. Even if I came by fall. Clap, clap, lesson done. Learning here is full of fun. Roar and chirp and bark so loud. Animal school makes us proud. Teacher says let's help you go to your human school, you know. Animals wave goodbye with cheer. Come back anytime next year. Baby waves, I'll miss you all. Tripping slightly in the hall. Bye bye, what a day. Funny school in every way. Mistake turned into fun. Best school day for everyone. Ring, ring, school is done. Baby had so much fun. Sing and clap and don't be shy. Animal school, goodbye, goodbye.